Welcome back to Saturday Night Fever on the railroad, folks. Rail fans, we got a train coming. As you can hear that, here we go. It's showtime. He's growling. Yes, sir. Saturday Night Fever. Yeah, we got the boogie fever here at Rail Fan and Vibes. Here we go. Yeah, you like that, Rail fans? Yes, sir. A little horn show. There's nothing wrong with that. It's Saturday Night Fever on the railroad. Yes, sir. Look, CSX got the big boy tankers out again. As Rail Fan Tyson said, a few baby tankers as well. Rail Fan Tyson right there. Yes, sir. Got some big boy box tall boys, as I call them. Coming up, they next up. The TTX squeezed in the consist. You want that funk? We got it right here on Rail Fan Vibes. Saturday Night Fever on the railroad. Yes, sir. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Once again, thanks for supporting us. I don't care if your comments are positive or negative. It's inspiring. God bless you. Got some more big boy tankers into his house. Big boy tankers crossing Washington Street, our favorite spot to catch trains here in the Gym City. Starting to become a very popular spot. A few more tall boys on the way. The Canadian National Boxcars, yes sir. Bulkhead, yes sir. See through momentarily. More standard boxcars. Got the boogie fever here on Rail Fan Vibes. Saturday Night Fever, yes sir. The southbound manifest, CSX manifest. You got what you need, yes sir. You're looking right at it. Yes, sir. Real friendly vibes in full effect. Yes, sir. Baby, God bless you folks out there. God bless America. That sounds like you got a DPU on the way. I hear a rumble. Oh yeah, baby. Here we go. I was Union Pacific for a second, but no. Not man. Action-packed, action-packed, action for Saturday Night Fever on the railroad. Can you feel the funk? Can you feel the vibes, baby? Amen. And make sure you tune in for Sunday Blessings on the railroad tomorrow. We got praise for you on the 7th day as well. These small little flat cars, ANSF, coral cars, okay. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at those train hoppers there. Two lines. We love you, baby. Burlington Northern as well, we love you too. We gotta get this train in the rain. It's starting to pick up again just a little bit. So I'm gonna dip back down here. And we have more massive tankers. Gracing us with this presence. Yes, sir. Real fan vibes and full bag. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Look at these cars. Pretty good freight train right here, guys. This is a darn loose tooth right here. Good, we got the gun. Hard rail. There goes our southbound CSX Mix Manifest. Here on Saturday Night Fever on the railroad. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below. Check us out again, folks. Peace out. Tomorrow, Sunday Blessings on the railroad. Check us out.